again, YouTube Lego 9107 here with another Lego video about Lego Transformers, not the mini one this time. This is my Lego dumper. He got dumper here and he can dump, as you can see. Now, let's transform this guy. Just put this here like this, put this here like this. Arms may stay that way, and here we are. Here we are. That's him. The Lego dumper. 7. No, 6. 6. Number 6 in my series. Lego dumper. Now, he's much big. Let's compare him to the Lego Chop Chop I made. He's, I think, number 3. Chop Chop. You see, Chop Chop is... Oops, off some parts. Doesn't matter. He's slightly big. But without this, he's slightly small. But in our hands, this is very big. This is very, very big. Robot, so it's not a mini robot like this. So it's a big robot and I don't have anything to say about him. He's good. Now just to transform him back. He's good. He's big and he can open much. Wait, he can open this here. He can store something there. Store something there. He can even have a rider, which I'm not going to put. I have riders, but not gonna put them. He can have riders here. They have control panels, everything. So it's basically like a car, but transform a car into a robot. So I'm not going to make a video instructions for him because he's very big and it'll take too long to make it. But I am going to make Optimus Prime, my version. I'm going to make an instruction video. It's going to be uploaded right after this video. So stay tuned for more videos. This is Lego 9107 signing out.